Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about binomial expansion. So now I will show you how to answer. We apply the formula of binomial expansions. So I will put the formula in here. Now if we compare about this one, we can see that n is about 8. 8 that's about number 3. Because we don't have any number in here, that means b equals to number 1. And now if we simplify this one, that should be about 3 plus 1 to the power of 8. We simplify, that's about 4 to the power of 8. And now go back to the question. They combine 4 to the power of 8 with 8 to the power of b. So a in here should be about number 4. And b should be about number 8. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.